Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, number 9631. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this Jigsaw Sudoku. News of the day, well, I've just read the newspaper. There's a smuggler arrested with 300 tarantulas. Tarantula is a spider, yeah. Yeah, those big spiders. Yeah. Yeah, it's trapped to his body. So 300 tarantulas, not in the suitcase, but to his body. Anyway, this one, Jigsaw Sudoku, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think I need 20 to 30 minutes because this one has 16 printed digits and the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars, maybe a 1 star. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars, a 1 star, or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. 2 single boxes, here 1, there 1. Always a 1, here 1, there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, triple boxes. I see here a triple box. The 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark those numbers. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T-shape. Let me draw the T-shape here. When you see the T-shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so in this case it's a 2 here. Okay, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only 1 of this kind. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Then let me see. These two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Let me think. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also those two boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. Oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And these 2 boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 now in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. One box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. Yeah. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this quarter box supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes in here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 1, this box can be 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. But also that box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Let me think. Come on. 3 and the 4, okay. 3 and the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 5. We have a 5 in this box, so this box can be a 5 anymore. So the only place left for 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Wait. Let me think. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Come on. This is taking too long. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 3, 4. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. It's not helping me. This is not helping me. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 3 and 1, 3 and 1 is connected with that box, so 3 and the 1. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 5 could be here, could be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. Okay. Interesting. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 3 and 1, 3 and the 1. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Then I think this box can be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 1 and 4, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. So the only place left with 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Let me think. One. Come on. 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1. Yeah. I need a 3 here. These, well, 3 and 4. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Really stuck. 12 minutes and I'm stuck. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 3 here. I need a 3 here or there. 3 and the 4. Interesting. 4, 1, 2, need a 3, 4, 5, 1, 3. Can it be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and 1, 3. Well. Come on, I'm really stuck here. 4, 1, 4, 5, 2 or a 3. Yeah, I'm stuck. 1, 2. Could be a 3. Can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, of course. Overlook this 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 1. Here can be 1, so the 1 should be there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 is a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And if, 2 numbers left, a 3 and a 1. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. So 3. And the final number in this T-shape area for the number 1. 15 minutes. Well, having troubles, but we solve it again. Let me give this a 1 star. Well, should be a 2 star. I'm not faster than 15. Alright, let me give this a 2 stars then. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday.